How to change background color on Instagram story. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply open up Instagram application in your mobile device, and just like that, you can simply tap on this plus button. Now select a photo or a video you want to add on your story. Now once your image is selected, you can simply tap on this little icon, then select draw option. Now from the color option, you can simply choose the color you want as your background. Press and hold on the screen. And just like that, your photo will disappear, but that's normal. You can simply bring it back. Tap on done. Now tap on the sticker icon. Here you can simply tap on photo. Now choose the photo one more time. And just like that, you can simply adjust it however you want. You can even change its shape for better look. And that's it. Once everything looks good, you can simply tap on your story. That is how you can change background color on Instagram stories. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.